We turn to boxing now as Dave LeBlanc scored a unanimous decision win over the hapless Torian Nicholas in a lackluster performance at the Ray and Neville Contender Series for the welterweight title last night at the Chinese Benevolent headquarters.
It was not the best display of boxing, but the 24-year-old Canadian Dave LeBlanc out-muscled contender debutant Jamaica's 33-year-old Torian Nicholas to hand Canada their second victory from 6 fights. LeBlanc started out aggressively with some overhead shots, while occasionally holding on Nicholas. Midway in the first round, Nicholas received a cut over his left eye and was forced to defend until the bell sounded. At the start of the second round, LeBlanc continued to attack Nicholas, landing 2 punches to the body and 1 to the head as he seemed to try and end the contest early. But with the Canadian continuing to hold the Jamaican, referee Owen Nilsson, who separated the boxers, warned LeBlanc for holding. However, LeBlanc pushed on with the same tactics of punching and holding throughout the last 3 rounds of the contest before declaring the unanimous winner of the contest by all 3 judges, 49 to 46.
He said I put up pressure because I want to give a good show to Jamaican people because I know that they love me. And next time when I'll fight heavier boxer, I'll be more smart and work more the distance instead of putting a lot of pressure.
For Nicholas, who stepped up 8 pounds in weight to fight LeBlanc, conceded that the early cut over his eye in the first round affected his ability to deliver a good fight.
Because the first time I'm getting cut, so I started to think about it and stuff like that, which was one of my faults. I shouldn't keep my mind on it.
With fans not satisfied with LeBlanc's fighting tactics, his trainer Frank Duguay is promising a different approach in the quarterfinal.
All fight long he took advantage of it. He was walking in him. We were missing the big right hand because Toriano was good to avoid it. And this is why we asked Dave during this 3rd round to work more the body, which he didn't make a lot, but that was the game plan. So next time we will be more focused and more adjusting.
Jamaica leads the series 4-2 over Canada. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.